Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best Sims 4 is probably one of the most immersive life simulation games available, allowing you to craft unique characters, build dream homes, and navigate the ups and downs of virtual life. From career aspirations to romantic relationships, every aspect of your Sims' lives is in your hands, offering endless possibilities for storytelling and creative expression. Dive into a world where you can design your perfect family, explore vibrant neighborhoods, and experience the joys and challenges of everyday life. Number 5. The Sims 4 Cottage Living, PC. The cottage cow provides fresh, flavored milk. Chickens lay eggs in the coop. It's a great way to get some fresh ingredients. Make cooking and gardening fun for the whole family. This is a great way to spend time together. You can grow your own food and cook delicious meals. Henford-on-Bagley is a cozy village where everyone knows everyone. It's a great place to meet new people and make friends. You'll feel right at home in this welcoming community. Purchase before September 2, 2021 to get the Gnome on the Go bonus items. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Get yours today. This game allows you to experience a new way of life. It's a great way to relax and enjoy the simple things in life. You'll love it. What we like. This pack lets you raise animals and live off the land. It introduces a charming village where everyone knows each other. If you are looking for a relaxing gameplay experience with a focus on farming and community, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This pack adds more to the game than others I have purchased in the past. It had chickens and cows and great clothes for your sim. It's been a lot of fun so far and I've really enjoyed both building and playing. Number 4. The Sims 4 Discover University, Origin PC. Order this game by January 5, 2021, and you'll receive the base game at no extra cost. This offer is available when shipped and sold by Amazon. The codes will be sent to you within 24 hours of purchase. It's time to enroll in school and experience college life. You can enjoy extracurricular activities and explore everything the university has to offer. This expansion pack allows you to fully immerse yourself in the college experience. You can study hard, sleep in, and even high-five the school mascot. Make sure to keep those grades up while you're having fun. This game offers a unique and engaging experience for all players. This game is a great way to experience college life. It's a fun and engaging way to spend your time. What we like. This pack allows your Sims to enroll in university and experience college life. They can study hard, join clubs, and attend classes. If you're looking for a way to add depth and realism to your Sims' lives, this is a great addition. What people say. If you're a Sims 4 fan that wants something to very nicely complement parenthood and seasons both, definitely look no further than Discover University. I feel like I haven't even scratched the surface of all the many options in this pack, from how many classes your Sim will take each term, 1 per week, to, finally, biking anywhere in the worlds, to whether or not to have roommates, which may or may not help keep the place clean, to deciding to investigate that mysterious secret society. There is a lot to cover that you won't get easily bored anytime soon. This expansion pack requires a lot of time. It is a lot different from the other university packs and has some unique features. Graduating with high honors requires more than just doing homework. You'll need to study, turn in projects, and give presentations. If you're looking to do more, there are different clubs and a huge common area to indulge in more college activities. It also comes with new job descriptions and skills. I do love some things about this though. For one, the CAS items are to die for. The clothes are super cute and hip with great colors. When I first got the pack I thought it was Maxie's Match CC, but I was delightfully surprised when it wasn't. I find myself using these clothes more than my CC, which is saying something. I also like the hairstyles we were given. The facial piercings are also a fantastic addition I personally think should be base game. Secondly, the build items. The desks, beds, and dressers are all super fun. Although they're meant for dorms, I find myself using many university items to furnish the rooms of my child Sims because of the many fun color swatches. The implication of mini fridges is perfect, and they're great for rags to riches challenges or when you're just short on simoleons. Lastly, bikes. I love that this pack added bikes. I think they're a great way for your Sims to get around and they are adorable. One of those items I wish were base game, thought I think they fit this pack well. I give all my Sims a bike, especially the city dwellers. Number 3. The Sims 4 Laundry Day Stuff Origin PC. Welcome to the world of The Sims 4 Laundry Day Stuff. This expansion pack brings a whole new level of realism to your Sims' lives. It introduces the joy of doing laundry. With this stuff pack, you can build a laundry room and purchase new washing machines and dryers. It also includes new gameplay features, like the ability to wash, dry, and fold clothes. This pack also includes a variety of new items to decorate your home. You can customize your Sims' homes with rustic-inspired decor and clothing. It's a great way to add some personality. Experience the simple pleasures of everyday life. This pack allows your Sims to enjoy the satisfaction of clean clothes and a tidy home. It's all about the details. Get your Origin PC code for the Sims 4 Laundry Day Stuff today. It's a fun way to enhance your Sims experience. Don't miss out on the fun. What we like. This pack introduces a new gameplay mechanic, laundry. You can build a laundry room and wash and dry clothes. If you like the idea of adding more realism to your Sims' daily routines, you will enjoy this pack. What people say. With its intuitive building tools, diverse character customization, and endless storytelling possibilities, it's easy to lose hours crafting unique Sims and their worlds. The game's regular updates, expansion packs, and active modding community keep the experience fresh and exciting. Bought mainly for the buy mode and CAS items. I love the fact that you don't have to do laundry, it only activates if you put some sort of washing machine or basin on the lot. Number 2. The Sims 4, Paranormal Stuff Origin PC. Welcome to your new home, but you are not alone. This new stuff pack introduces haunted house lots, where you might find some unexpected roommates. You can remove accursed objects and perform a seance. Commune with the dead and receive gifts from specters. It's up to you to keep your home safe. Master the medium skill and impress Skidry to get a paranormal investigator license. Once ready, take on freelance gigs to expel unwelcome visitors for other Sims. It's a fun and exciting experience. This new stuff pack offers a unique and spooky experience. It's a great way to add some excitement to your Sims 4 gameplay. Don't miss out on the chance to experience the paranormal. Get it today and start your adventure. What we like. This pack introduces paranormal elements to the game. You can interact with ghosts, perform seances, and even become a paranormal investigator. If you like spooky themes and want to add a supernatural element to your game, this is the pack for you. What people say. Works like a charm. So many small and bold details that are added to your game. Ghosts, seances, gothic decor, and more. Number 1. The Sims 4 Bust the Dust Origin PC. Dust can accumulate quickly. It starts small, but soon it becomes a big problem. If you don't clean it up, it will take on a life of its own. The dust will build up into piles. Your home will go from clean to dusty to filthy if you don't clean up. It's up to you to keep things tidy. Explore 2 new aspirations. Perfectly pristine Sims won't let a single speck of dirt remain. They will always keep things clean. Filthy and fabulous Sims revel in allowing grime to thrive. They love the dirt and the mess. It's all about how you want to play. These Sims won't let a single speck of dirt remain. They are always cleaning and keeping things tidy. It's their way of life. These Sims revel in allowing grime to thrive. They love the dirt and the mess. It's all about embracing the chaos. What we like. This pack introduces a new cleaning mechanic and aspirations. Your Sims will have to deal with dust and grime, and you can choose to embrace cleanliness or messiness. If you like to keep your Sims' homes tidy, or if you enjoy a challenge, this pack is a great choice. What people say. This adds fun to your gameplay, especially if you have clean Sims or looking for something else to add for making simoleons. With the vacuums and the dust adds more lively gameplay. Item downloaded as intended. Works perfectly fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.